Alright, so this is after I primered it yesterday, a little filler primer. It's a little bumpy still, so I got this Gator Fine little sander, and we're gonna run over it and see how that looks. Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna just run this whole thing. It's already primered. Damn, that's nice. Okay. Holy shit, that is yellow. What? All right. All right, so I let it dry overnight. So I painted it with this bright yellow sweet mango, but in the movie it's kind of like a darker orange, so this is like a marigold. I'm gonna lightly spray it to give it a little bit more darker color, and then it kind of has like brown as well, like right here. So that's gonna be next. But then also this, in the movie, it's more like really dark brown and kind of goes into black. So this is what it looks like. Some layer lines, but I really didn't do too much, what's it called? Filler primer, but that's all right. It's still, oh shit, it's white there. I gotta pray that. All right, but let's get to this. I'm gonna just lightly, oh shit. Yeah, see. Oh, that looks good, that looks good. Yeah, I think that's the right color. A little yellow, but then a little orangish. Oh yeah, I think that's it. All right, I like that. All right, so I guess I gotta get this black. I didn't even see under there. Look at that. Oh, I guess we'll just do it like that. That should be good. Let's check this. Oh, this needs it too. Yeah. All right. So, and then I got this. It's a really dark walnut, but it should be good. I'm gonna let that dry for maybe like an hour, and then I'll come back to it. All right, so I got the dark walnut. We'll see if we can see it in the sun, but I don't know. Let's hope it goes. See, it looks black still, but whatever. Let's see. Lightly. The little tone. Give it that tone. Oh, it looks good, and then it fades to black. Okay. Go far. Get some brown. Okay, all right. This one too. Oh, this way. Yeah. Oh, that's a little dark. Okay. I think that's okay. It's not bad. All right. So I don't know how I'm gonna get brown here. As you saw in the picture, it's kind of right here. I don't want to fuck it up. Let me see. I'm gonna look at the picture myself. Okay. Barely. Like the littlest hint of brown around the sides. All right. So I'm gonna try. It's too much. That's not bad, actually. Yeah, okay, that might have been too much, but I think the ears will cover that. I think they're gonna leave it like that. The nose, shit, I didn't even see the nose. This is the nose cover right here. Ooh, nose is a little brown too. All right. That should be okay. All right, now we let it wait. Paint. I mean, dry. I'm Bruno. Wait. So for tough ones like this, where I guess the hole's not as great and it doesn't squeeze in, and the drill kind of, I don't want to drill too far to make it. So what I do, put magnet on one side, go, make sure it's lined up, and squeeze. It kind of gets in there pretty good. And test to see if it needs glue, which it might. Yep. Okay, so that one might need glue. But you get the point. It just forces it in. Nice, snug fit. All right, let's see what we got. This is with the semi-gloss. It's the chin strap. Put that down, yeah, all right. Magnets. Now, see if this goes. How does this go? Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that sheet. That brown looks dope. It looks so good. It's the back. Fuck yeah.